I want to say that I believe you listened to the judgment of which was given on 13th of this month. That was on Thursday. That is an issue which, as a commission, we have engaged our lawyers, and discussions are ongoing. In the course of this week, we shall be launching an appeal in the Court of Appeal. And it's for the simple reason. Sometimes in 2019, the High Court, presided over by Justice Okwanyi, made a determination that Article 250 of the Constitution is what applies to the Commission. Article 250 applies to all constitutional commissions and independent commissions, and it states clearly that you should have a minimum of 3 commissioners and a maximum of 9. And the commission then was able to proceed and discharge its mandate, which is prescribed in the Constitution up to now.
Okay.
Now on Thursday last week, the High Court then took a different approach and said the Constitution is not the issue here. The issue is the statute. And the statute says that a commission should have a minimum of 5 as a quorum.
Okay.
So what we are saying as a commission is that there are 2 conflicting judgments, and it's only a Court of Appeal which should be able to throw light as to which judgment in law should suffice for purpose of the commission.
Okay.
But on the other hand, I think for purposes of again going forward, the court on Thursday, when it gave the judgment, it also stated the judgment as far as quorum issues are concerned. The High Court gave a stay of that same issue on the issue of quorum only, and said the commission can go ahead and carry out its activities. So we are not in a crisis as far as the issue of quorum is concerned. But we shall take the matter to the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal will decide which of these 2 judgments should be the right one to follow. The one which talks of following the Constitution, or the one which talks of following the statute. We are starting the judgment. It's a lengthy judgment, and we shall be getting a briefing from the lawyers during the week. Because of by-elections tomorrow, we shall not meet. Perhaps we will meet on Wednesday. And we are looking at the judgment only insofar as IBC matters are concerned.